Alright everyone, so hey, to give you a little context, today is my birthday and I've decided to do the things that I like, make it special, because as we grow up we tend to just let go of our birthday and celebrate it as a routine. So I said, you know what, let's break that, let's do something different. So I decided, hey, let's have breakfast at a coffee shop. Even if I'm alone, that's fine. I don't quite know what to order because I don't usually come here, but I wanted to try it out. I wanted to see if this is a good place, and this is something that I like. Kind of being in your 20s is about that, experimenting and finding out new things, right? Okay, and that's why I'm here. I'm kind of doing this thing, experimenting a bit, and let's see if I like it. These are the things that I ordered, and it does look really good. So I'm ready to dig into it. I haven't tried matcha before, so let's see. I don't know how to feel about it. I've heard a lot of things that matcha is not like green tea, but I feel like it is like green tea. Yeah, I feel like it's green tea but turned into something like a coffee. So yeah, it does feel like green tea. But I don't hate it. I wanted to try something new. I did, and I kind of like it actually. Let's eat. I feel like some people fear eating alone or being in certain situations like this alone, but I think it's absolutely fine. I'm not gonna say if I can do it, you can do it too, but I think it's important to like your own company and to enjoy your own company, because most things in life, odds are you have to do it on your own. So you've got to do it, and you just got to ace it, But I just changed place because guess who joined me? Bisous. Fizeram you.
Happy birthday.
I'm trying to be decent. I tried being decent and eat with fork and spoon, but I can't. Cheers. Cheers to me. T'en as qui est comique? Man could do banana lecture on being alone and eating alone after something normal. Okay, update. Being alone is great, but having a company is much better.
Surtout moi.
Yeah. The matcha was really good. I got myself a to-go cup. And you know what's the best part? She paid for my bread. That's why I called her. I how much j'allais vider. Parce que je connais vous payer. I'm using people. Ouais. À ce temps, j'ai besoin de Ryan. Fils à faire filmer en même temps. Get marre pas en même temps. Filmer toi. C'est dans deux mois. Une vie de jeune. C'est oublié. Moi, je viens à Bougla à peu près. Qu'est-ce qu'il dit moi, mon corps de venir de là, la voix soit tous les. Get le travail, petit. Get so less, dude. Get so fort.
Ah, Kesh.R!
Raison de finir ça.
Drei.
Finally.
Après plusieurs mois, Beetje länger, elle est venue à la France, tu vini. Avec quoi ce travail, tu vois. Après la France, c'était ouais. Alright, so I have one more stop left. We still need to get a cake and then we can go home and rest a bit. I don't have quite a lot of stuff planned for today. Just this, the morning breakfast was a big part, and now I've got to get a cake. Hopefully I find a good one here, and then home, and then we are going to the movies hopefully tonight. So I'm fresh out the shower. Now I'm gonna go do some prayers, and then we are going to go to the movies. Yeah, I'm hyped for that, but before that I need to take care, a little self-care. Let's go do that. We have booked a 3-hour, 32-minute movie. So we are in for a treat, I think, for a surprise. I don't know. It can either be really good or really boring. I'll let you know at the end how's the movie, but I've dressed very lightly, very comfortable, and I've got a jacket as well. So it's going to be a picnic. Just have to sneak in some snacks. But hey, it's my birthday. I can do whatever I want, right? So movie, 3-hour movie, 4-hour almost. We have some time to kill before the movies. I'm a kid. I'm not 23 years old. I'm 13 years old. I'll show you I'm a kid. And if you're looking for gift ideas for me, you know where to come.